Welcome once more to FM Bazaar. This is Bali Brought Up, presented to you. This is English news. First, the heading. A catastrophical and holistic and a very nullified Cha'a was being battered in the Bafut of village of Cameroon. So that people that was saying that the same thing that was first did have to be endorsed. The whole doctors in the Cameroon hospitals have confused a koro confusion, so that it have made that them have started to be burying diabetes in a scatterbalance way that meant them Jangopo is not selecting in the inside. Now the news in full. The doctors in the hospitals in this Cameroon that we are today have confused a koro confusion, and they have made that them have started to be burying diabetes in a very scatterbalance way that the Kafiage is not selecting the Angopo in the inside. The true thing that is there is that these family system that are taking their sick class to the hospitals to when and saw the thing that them are seeking have started to be bathing hands, because when them are taking their sick class to the hospital to come and saw the sick that them are sacking, the doctors are always spoken that this sick class are seeking but a koro sick. So because of these things, confusion have been there, so that when these sick classes are dying a dead, they are also spoken that them are dying but a koro die. And this thing have made that the families them are vexed. This is because they are spoken that when they went into the hospital with their sick classes them were seeking a different sack. But when they went to the hospital, they just spoke that it's only a koro sick. And it's only so that they shall turn them, so that their sick classes shall detect a untimely die. If you have not yet saw this video of a koro confusion of diabetes that took place in the Limbe of Cameroon, a time have came for you to bathe hands. Now may you near the video and bathe hands?
In this tomb lies the remains of the 42-year-old man in Limbe, who, according to Dr. Kinge Thompson, director of the Limbe Regional Hospital, is suspected to have died of the deadly pandemic in the world. To the family of late Mbela Jevas, their son, brother and husband did not die of the virus.
They make alarm now, say they don't say na coronavirus, na kill my pikin. Through X-ray, all the X-rays them and scanning. Now for day where they see the virus, because me I know say virus, nothing with X-ray not the show, now only for lab. Me at the wait, I been there at the wait. Say I go see the person where they can't take the specimen. Until he die, I don't see nobody.
To them, the father of 3 died due to negligence by the Limbe Regional Hospital.
Now because of oxygen failure, because a light no be there. If light be there, mama say no for die.
The pikin where they don't carelessly leave them through their generator, when no fit function, where now that oxygen for sustaining, because they don't even talk say the oxygen don't make away oxygen level the health some nest for that night. He put the film, that X-ray so for light. He said, hey, the one read this film. He said the possibilities we say, he get bronchopneumonia, yes, now the capital matter. He said, but other factors, other underlying factors, and fit be for under. They refer we from bingo. Say, we go see in a lung specialist for Douala, and for the way we will be the go we reach for they only tell we say, I see commoner for oxygen. Then get to put it back for oxygen before they treat him. No one open him up talk say go for corona. If there be one may we go, no be there for admitting.
My husband come for here now for July last year 2019, where corona never starts. Even for China, since that time the corona never start.
As you have took your eyes and ear in the video, that is how it was there. The thing that is there is that the doctors have confused it. So one them has spoken that, oh, them have dead the koro die, but the other one them has spoken that is not a koro die. So we want to speak to the Minister of Health. Amalachi, it's you that you are the Minister of Health, and we have knew that you are putting your pain. You are putting your pain to make sure that the koro does not went virus. But some of your young voices have confused. This is because they are not speaking a clear spark whether it's somebody have came but a koro came, or the person have came but a normal came in the hospital. This is because as you have saw in the video that we was first show, this is because confusion is there. When a man shall came to the hospital, they shall spoke that it's koro that he have half. But when they shall want to look it again, they shall still spoke that it's not koro that he have half. Now when they shall computation, small time the man shall went and detect a die. And when the man shall detect a die, let me tell you, when the man shall detect a die, the hospitals shall start to be spoken again that it's koro die. And after again, the hospitals is again start to speak like it's not koro die. And it's only so that them are confusing, so that the family now shall not know whether it's koro die or it's not koro die, and they shall went and bury the die body in a koro way that is not a koro die. So one in that took again and one burn in a normal die that is a koro die. So now we have spoke that you and your languages have to look out. If you are talking that I'm lying, saw a other video. If you saw this other video, how they are chakaraing on top a die body in the coffin. So when my people say, no, give our die body. Everyone say, no, give our die body. Everyone say, no, give our die body. I'm Malachi. They are my man. If I don't come and show you these small things, you shall not know that confusion is there. This thing is too complete. This is not the each eye confusion. It's not the twice eye confusion. It's not the thrice eye confusion. Confusion is there in the hospital between koro die and non-koro die. If you have not yet this other video, the way they are fighting die body of koro, now it's a time for you to saw and be fans. Neutralize. As you have near in that video, that is how it was there. Is a other problem of koro. So we are speaking that your languages, your doctors in the different hospitals should be looked at, because when they start to be making like this in these doors and people are sawing it, people them shall start to be swearing to went to the hospital. And when people them shall start to be swearing to went to the hospital, the koro that they have inside them shall stay in the bungalow and they shall start to be dividing it to the general cafiage. Even a other man that shall have a different other sick that is second, he shall also swear to went to the hospital, and when he shall detect a die in the bungalow, they shall spoke that it's negligence. So we have spoken that the hospitals Amarachi, yeah, they spoke. Them should look at it, because people they're not swearing to went to the hospital. When man is having fever, he is fearing that if you went in to the hospital, they shall spoke that it's a koro sick that he's sucking. So when they spoke that if they took him out to the hospital and he went and died in the day, they shall not give them that die body. Have you saw? I've already complained. I've shown Amalachi the thing that is Amalachi, my man. I've shown Amalachi the thing that is taking place in this aside that we are today. So we are speaking that if the doctor says you people should be looked at it. If you want to speak that somebody have koro, do the test. When the test come out, show them that this is a koro test that we have done, and you are being korotized. In fact, you are a young koronians. Don't misspoke that sometimes it's koro and sometimes it's not koro. And when the die body shall detect a die, you shall start to be spoken that it's a koro die. After again, the family shall say that no, it's not a koro die. That you should show document that is showing that it's a koro die. Took your time to korotize the people and saw if they are truly korotized. If they are truly korotized and a young koronian, show the document to the family that have you saw we have this test and they have spoken that it's koro. You put the man inside the hospital. If the man have where he went back to the bungalow, if you have die, all man shall knew that it's a koro die, and the family shall live and that they should bury it in the place that they have to bury the koronians. But if you are spoken that you don't know if it's koro, it's not koro. When the man have dead, family now shall start to be told that okay, now that he have not died by koro die, give our die body, let's when I'm buried. And you shall start to be spoken that no, we cannot give you the die body because it did like say it's koro. So we are speaking that the hospitals should look at it so that the general cafe shall have confidence in the medical doctors, in the Mungan doctors. Because if the cafe have not have confidence, if the cafe have not have confidence in the Mungan doctors, if they have not have confidence in the hospital, they shall not be waiting in the day. They shall be having sixes and they shall be fearing to went with the sixes to the hospital. And if they are fearing not to went with the sixes in the hospital, where shall them day? Where shall them day? That means they shall stay in the bungalow and be turning in the quarter. And before you want to see, the whole quarter have been korotized if it's a coronian sickness. So we have spoken that the doctors, as they are their professional, who have noticed one of them have already detected a dissect in the fighting of koro, they should continue to be their professional, and they should make that the kafia should have confidence in them. Because if the kafia does not dig them confiance, case goes nowhere. We shall not be able to fight the koro in one mob. That was today's edition of the Sase English News, presented to you by Bali Bottom, checked out by FMB Entertainment under the general reputation of the serious Kafiage. For the other spoke of the catastrophic, nullified and ballistic deed that was being done in the Bafut village on Sunday, we shall chole it. We shall not speak it in the other spot, because if we want to speak our below stomach, the way the thing was there, they shall start to be pointing with bad finger and spoken that it's we that we are spoiling the name of the people, and that was did the doors. But since we does not want me to spoil my name, we have said that we should allow the spoke like that, because we have discovered that in Cameroon now, they shall only first of Owen and Key and Chakara, and then after they came and investigate. Key and Chakara and came and investigate. That means it's not dead now, but bite and blow, or blow and bite. But for that spoke, we will not spark the spoke, because you didn't know the way this aside is dead. If you spoke anyhow, you shall saw anyhow.